Do you like eating that? Is it your favorite? Are you happy?
I still old house.
Old house?
Haunted house.
Saan?
And it's the haunted house.
Saan?
The monster house.
You see the monster house. What happened?
I was scared.
And then?
And then we watch it.
You watch it? Ah, on the TV. Did you get scared?
No.
No. Are you brave?
No, me gulat.
How about si Daddy? Gulat din.
Yes.
Ano sabi ni Daddy?
Shout.
Paano mag-shout si Daddy? Ay, ganun?
Like that. Louder.
Si Chola, paano mag-shout? Quiet lang.
No, quiet. Like this.
Ay, pag si Daddy, paano mag-shout?
Like that, like
Si
that.
Mami, si Mami.
Mommy gulat like me.
Quiet lang. Si Achi.
Cut? Here, cut.
Here, ang sabi ng cat?
Meow, meow.
Ang sabi ng dog?
Wolf, wolf.
How does the lizard, mag-panic? Panic, ganun. Pag nagugutom.
Yes.
Pag wala siya doon sa friend niya.
Yes.
Ano pa mga pets mo?
Lizard.
Tsaka, ikaw nagpapakain sa lizard?
And I'm standing like that.
Achi. Is it takaw? Like you? Yung takaw?
And fish.
Fish.
And unicorn.
What's your favorite pet?
And fish. And lizards.
What happened to your shrimps and fish?
Fish. Fish.
What happened? What did you do to my fishes?
The pink.
No, those shrimp. They died eh. What happened? What did you do?
You can fish in one fish.
Huh?
The one fish.
No, many fish.
No, many fish.
They died. You
They
put something
died?
there. Yes.
You put something.
No, not me, it's you.
No, you. I put something there. Not see you.
No, I saw you in the camera. You put oil on my fish tank and they died.
That's you. You was not so you. So the fish stunk dead.
Nagalit ba si Daddy ni the fishes died? Yes.
I finished. Look.
Oh! Paano magalit si Daddy? Kay Cholo. Si Mami nagagalit kay Cholo. Gusto mo na mag-school?
Not yet.
Not yet. Why? Ay, saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? You live at
At
449
449.
MH Del Pilar Street, San Rafael, Montalban, Rizal.
He's died.
Yes! Ice cream yummy. Sing ka nga. Ice cream yummy. Dali, ice cream yummy.
Pancakes.
Sabi mo, ice cream yummy. Are you a good boy? Malapit na yung Christmas. Santa Claus is?
Coming down.
He sees you when you're... He knows when you're...
Eating.
He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been
Bad
or
bad.
bad or good.
Good.
So be good. Very good.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, you better watch.
Shout.
You better not.
Cry.
You better not
Cry.
pout and tell me why.
Santa Claus coming
to
down.
town. Jingle bells,
Jingle bells.
jingle
And
bells.
how we have pumpkin.
Huh?
Pumpkins.
Huh?
At Christmas and pumpkins.
Ano daw?
Pumpkins.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin? That's for Halloween, the pumpkin.
There.
the 10?
Eh,
Are you happy? Ano sabi ni Chow na pagka-open mo dito?
thank you, Mama. Thank you.
How did you do?
And hug first. Hug first. Then,
Do you pee pa sa bed? Do you pee in the bed?
not bigger.
Do you want to wear diaper?
No need.
No need. Why?
I'm bigger.
You're big na. Do you like daddy in the bottle? Uy!